Hey, how's everyone? Happy birthday, Cheryl. I thought for your birthday this year I would do this live video that actually teaches how to make a really healthy chocolate mousse with like less than 1% of sugar. And I can say it's less than 1.1% of sugar because the coconut cream, which is the only canned food we allow in this house, is less than 1% sugar. And the chocolate sauce only has 0.1% sugar, and that's a organic one. Alright, so with this, I basically just got the trusty food processor here, mostly because Kelly's killed a few blenders and stuff lately. So you add the coconut cream, just chuck the whole can in, both of them. Alright. It's a pretty simple process, but it turns into a really nice chocolate mousse. And you just start adding the bananas as the main ingredient. So any old bananas and stuff you got sitting around for a few days, plus avocado. The bananas is also to help take the taste away from the avocado, because I can't stand the taste of avocado, but it's got good healthy fats in it, so we add this to it. And it seems to give us consistency that we're after for the chocolate mousse added with the banana. And by the time, the way this should turn out, you shouldn't actually taste the banana or the avocado. You should just taste like really nice chocolate mousse. And so we can add all them in, and yeah. And I do this, and once you've gotten to a part in the blend where it's starting to get really consistent and everything, you just add a few dollops of the chocolate. And I'm in this program and stuff where Chris Hemsworth and stuff was making the program, and he gave me some really important advice as to doing food processing or blending to make these types of things. So there's two really important tips that you need to remember when doing it, and they are one, so I really hope you never ever forget those two pieces of really important information. I'm going to add a little bit more chocolate. That chocolate did actually must have been sitting in the jar for a while. It's actually gone a bit hard on the top, so I did like stab it a few times. But you get the general idea. It didn't need actually that much. I'm going to put a little bit more in there. But yeah, put it in the fridge and stuff for about an hour, and it will taste like chocolate mousse by the end of it. Yeah, have a great day, and happy birthday again to Cheryl. Bye.